Hey everyone.
Hey everybody!
Oh my goodness. Alright everyone, so I wanted to go over and review this mixer I have here. It is called the ProMixx Original Shaker Bottle. It's a pretty neat device. It's only about 22 bucks and I've had it for about 2 months now. I've been using it almost every day for 2 months. You have the cup here which has a mixing thing in there. This is not a blender. This is just for mixing. It's basically like a shaker bottle. You don't have to shake. You have a top, just, you know, standard top, goes on easy. And then this is what powers the whole thing. In here is just 2 AA batteries. Now I started with lithiums and I usually do that in new things, but then I switch over to my Panasonic Anyloop rechargeables. Just like to see the difference in runtime. But these 2 lithiums have lasted me now 2 months. I've used this thing a ton and amazingly it keeps going. Some reviews said the batteries don't last that long. They must be using like dollar store batteries because these are lasting me a long time. They do have an upgraded model that is about 12 bucks more. I think it's like 34, 35 bucks with a rechargeable base. I don't see that as an upgrade because I can use rechargeable batteries in here, and the rechargeable things, you know, their batteries can go bad over time. And, you know, they could last years or they could not. So I prefer having my own batteries. I can put my own rechargeables in there. But we're going to go ahead and test this out, show you how amazing this is. I make a healthy drink basically every morning, and we'll go ahead and get this running so you guys can see how awesome this thing works. So I'm going to throw in my milk. And then we're going to go ahead, turn it on, and I'll start adding stuff. You'll see that it creates a nice vortex in there. Going from right to left, I got some protein powder here. Got some collagen, multi-collagen powder. Then I like to have a chocolate flavor, so I'll throw in some cocoa. And then I have some coconut sugar to make a little bit of sweetness. This sometimes gets clumpy. There we go. Then you can go ahead, cap it. It will really reduce the sound. And these batteries, like I said, are 2 months old, but they're still working great. Seems like it's working just as good when I first got it. Now, the chocolate powder never dissolves all that great. It's never clumpy or anything, but that's just the chocolate powder. And you can let it spin as long as you want, and also when you're halfway through drinking, you can turn it on again to kind of, you know, remix it if you need to. But for 22 bucks, this thing's pretty awesome. It's worked great for me for a long time, and really just, it's way better than using something like this that I used to use. This did not work nearly as good, and it was a lot more of a pain. Cleaning this is easy too. Once I'm done drinking, I just fill it with water, turn it on, rinse it out, and so on. Now you can take off the bottom, and you can throw this in the dishwasher as well. I only do that like once every week or so just to give it a full good cleaning. Usually I just rinse it, like I said, in the sink. Really awesome mixing bottle here, and just had to show that because it, you know, for the price and for the ease of use, it's really a great thing to have. Have any questions, let me know. See y'all later.